Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to buy and sell on cTrader. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open cTrader, and let's say for example you made your analytics and now you want to place your order. Okay. So we have here market order, and we have here the limit order. Okay. Now let's say for example you made your analytics and you want to buy, okay, or sell the same thing. So click on buy here. If you want to sell, click on sell. So I will click on buy. We have here quantity. You can choose how many lots you want. So for me, I will keep it on one lot. Here we have the stop loss. Okay, so click on it and I will add my stop loss here or here, for example, 465. So type it here, 465. And my take profit, for example, will be here. So it's 525. So check the take profit and type here 525 like this. Okay. So my profit will be 4%, 4.47%, and my risk will be minus 1.52%. Okay. Think that you get the idea. Now click on place order and go to position, and this one is your order. As you can see, we have the symbol here, euro USD, the quantity one lot, it's a buy, the entry price, this is the take profit, the stop loss, the date, and this one is our PNL. Okay, now let's say for example you change your mind and you want to change your stop loss. So all you have to do is go to your stop loss, this one, drag it and drop it wherever you want, as you can see. Okay, the same thing with take profit. So we have here take profit. You can change it also if you want. If you want to close your position, just click on close here. As you can see, that position has been closed. Now, let's say for example you want to make a limit order. Okay, you want to buy for example only when the price hit this level here. Go to limit here, click on it, and click on buy limit. If you want to sell, click on sell limit. Okay, it's the same thing. I will use buy limit, and as we said, I will buy only when the price hit this level for 70. So it's here for 70. You can change it if you want for 71. We have quantity, one lot. The expiry date, you can use it if you want. Okay, and click on it and type your date. For me, I will keep it like that. We have here stop loss. You can add your stop loss. So for example, I will buy here. My stop loss will be here for 55. So I will type here for 55. And my take profit will be, for example, here 520. So click on take profit and type here 520. It's the same thing. Okay, now click on place order, and now you have to go to orders here. This one is your limit or your pending order, this one, as you can see. If you want to close it, click on close here, and that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.